ground. It was like a branch close to the ground, and it didn't even hurt him. I got other friends, Alex, Andrew, and Chase, and there's some other ones, Isaac and Joel. You may not know my friends because they're so far away.
Oh, that's too bad. Do you get to see them?
Yeah, because they're like close to my house already. They're like close to my house, and I can play with them whatever time. But I have to listen to my mom when I have to go because when my mom comes with the car, I have to go to the piano. That means I have to go to the piano lessons. My swim team and my what is it called?
What's what called?
I have no idea what that's called.
What do you?
My other team, my soccer and my swim lessons are over, but I'm gonna still do my swimming lessons in July.
Okay, that sounds fun. Do you like to swim?
Yeah, I love to. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I want to stay at my house playing with my friends. If my friends don't like me when I'm gone, they don't even like my mom because I don't like her. I don't like my mom's because I wish I could stay home and play all day long.
Oh, well, maybe it's good for you to do some of the other things too, do you think?
Yeah.
Like playing the piano?
Yeah.
Do you like to play the piano?
Yeah, but I love swimming best at everything. I wish I could go swimming every day, but I can't. Sometimes my swimming lessons are canceled for days.
For days?
Yeah, sometimes. Oh. I love swimming the best and soccer.
Okay.
I love soccer and swimming the best. I love swimming the best in everything.
Okay.
I love to swim with my family.
Well, that's wonderful.
Even when I swim in my swim team. You know, we used to have races. And now, a long time ago when I had a new I had my fourth coach. Her name was Miss
That's okay. That's okay.
I may not remember her.
Okay.
And she teached us, and we had a race. It's because on Noodles, a horsey race, and because that was the end of that swimming lessons. Wait, her name was Coach Chris. She teach me a lot about swimming and freestyling.
Wow.
That's when you swim underwater when you take a breath, you move your head to the side. That's how you do a freestyle.
Wow. You know a lot about swimming.
Yeah, I do, because I practice swimming at my swim team.
Okay.
And we had a horsey race because that was the end of the swimming lesson that I got a new coach. That was my first time that I got my new coach. My new coach, I have no idea what his name is because I didn't ask what his name was.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay. Do you think we should practice our new song?
Yeah.
Do you want to play the new piece we're going to learn?
Yeah.
Would that be fun? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Are we all caught up now for the day?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm done.
You think you're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we practice now?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good.
I think when a long time ago, I think I will tell you the rest pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow. Wait,
oh.
No, tomorrow I don't have swim. I'm gonna have swimming lessons pretty soon.
Okay.
The swimming lessons gonna be back online, and so is soccer going to.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna play, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Think you can start with that first note?